Hey there guys, my name is Jonathan Ram with Car Audio Engineers. We're located here in Sacramento, California. We've been in business for 4 years and I've been doing this professionally for about 15 years. We are a high-end shop that does custom fab and full system builds. That's our forte. That's how we started off. We were first a by appointment referral only shop. Now that we were a little more open to the public, we're still a by appointment only shop, but we get more consumer base. So I've been to car audio since back in high school. It started off just doing like your buddies' cars, turned in from a hobby to a career. Now I have 2 employees that work with me and 3 counting me because I still love the passion of working on cars. We've been just jamming on this stuff. We've advanced a lot, especially technology wise. We went from just a regular shop to now doing more higher end builds, bringing in more technology as far as CNC, laser, 3D printer, stuff like that. So we use ground zero in a lot of our builds for the powerful amplifiers, but yet having sound quality go along with it too. We actually fell in love with the ground zero speaker lineup from quality subwoofers that were low and still tight on bass to loudspeakers that were more sound quality bass than just a obnoxious tinging sound that we were getting from other manufacturers. That's the main reason why we use ground zero in a lot of our builds. Bringing Fork Connect on was really nice because it's a pure 100% copper wire. And also their connectors and RCAs have been awesome. They lock in, they don't come loose and anything like that. It's just a problem-free install. Along with that, the distribution blocks, the variety that they have to offer and the quality from their stage 2 all the way to their stage 3 brass fuse holders. Currently we have a few projects that we're using ground zero and SounDigital in. We have a old school Impala, and then we also have a 1967 Camaro that we did a full ground zero SounDigital build, from custom door panels utilizing the GZ competition speakers to the ground zero 10-inch hydrogen woofers. Also we have in our shop too was the ground zero SounDigital donk that we took over for SEMA in 22. HKI has been a great partner for us. We have built a great relationship with them as far as being a smaller vendor and getting more of that one-on-one service from them. Also, our rep Robert has been awesome. We see him all the time and he's always able to help us out with any issues, any box design, anything we need help with. So my name once again is Jonathan Ram. I'm the owner of Car Audio Engineers. We're located here in Sacramento, California. If you wanted to check us out, we're on Instagram, Car Audio Engineers, Facebook, and you're more than welcome to check out our website, caraudioengineers.com.